This product was gifted to me to do a review on. This is the VNOST car vacuum. This is the package that it came in. Very professional, nice and solid. Opening the box, you have a carrying pouch for the vacuum and all the attachments that it comes with. It's nice material. You have your filter and a bag full of attachments. This is the compartment that catches all the dust. And the vacuum itself. Well packaged. The vacuum is super small, very ergonomic, easy to hold. This vacuum provides up to 24,000 pascals of suction power. You can use it for your floors, sofas, or even your car. Let's try cleaning this. Okay, this did a pretty good job. Really good job, actually.